ELLIPAL X Card has been a game changer for cold storage. It's sleek, it's portable, and it brings a new level of convenience to securing your crypto. But one question we see a lot is, how many wallets can one X Card actually manage? The short answer is 1. A single ELLIPAL X Card is designed to manage one wallet. This is a core part of its security design. It creates a single, dedicated, and completely air-gapped environment for one specific set of assets. You're not juggling multiple seed phrases on a single device, which simplifies the process and reduces the risk of human error. Now, this doesn't mean you're limited. You can have multiple X cards, each managing its own distinct wallet. In fact, a popular security strategy is to have separate X cards for different purposes, like one for your main holdings, one for a DeFi portfolio, and maybe another for assets you're actively trading. This keeps your risk compartmentalized. The real power, however, comes from how the X card works with the ELLIPAL ecosystem. While one card manages one wallet, the ELLIPAL app can manage multiple wallets simultaneously, including those from different X cards. You can easily switch between them on your phone, see your balances, and initiate transactions. Then, when it's time to sign a transaction, you just grab the specific X card you need, scan the QR code, and you're done. You can also use the X card for backup. When you create or restore a wallet, you can copy that same wallet to up to 10 X cards at once. This is huge. It means you can have a main X card for daily use and multiple identical backups stored in different, secure locations. If your main card is ever lost or damaged, your other cards are ready to go with the exact same wallet. So to recap, one ELLIPAL X card manages one wallet. But you can manage multiple wallets within the ELLIPAL app, each with its own dedicated X card. And you can create up to 10 backup cards for a single wallet, giving you peace of mind. It's a system built for security and flexibility. It's about giving you control, not putting all your eggs in one basket.